for today's video, we are going to have a knowledge with the advanced technique that we have in the Microsoft PowerPoint, specifically with the animation and the transition. But later on, I will try to insert some information regarding on how to insert an audio. So let's begin with our animation and transition for this PowerPoint or advanced techniques that we have using the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. The first step that we need to do is to, of course, launch our PowerPoint presentation. So in this one, we have here the given templates and themes that we may use. But we can also explore or we can also download some templates online, just like you may visit the www.slidesgo.com. They have offered a lot of templates that is free and can be easily used for us. But then, for this one, we are just going to open the blank presentation. So here, if we already click the blank presentation, we will see the various areas that we need to, of course, understand and know its functions for us to easily use our PowerPoint presentation. Okay, just a quick snap of these areas that we need to be familiar with in our PowerPoint presentation. First, we have the File tab, where in the File tab will show or opens the backstage view, which basically allows you to manage, of course, the file and the settings in your PowerPoint. While on the other hand, the next thing besides the File tab is our Home ribbon. Wherein under the Home ribbon, we have there your tabs, wherein it includes the Home, Insert Page, and Layout. These are all the ribbons, and under the Home, there is the Home, Insert Page, and so on and so forth. And also there, you'll see the groups and the commands. Next thing, we also have the title bar, of course. Under your title bar, this is the top section of the window, and it shows the name of the file, followed by the name of the program, which in this case is the Microsoft PowerPoint there. Right there. You'll see. After that, we also have here the slide area, this rectangle shape here, this blank one, wherein the slide area is where the actual slide is created and edited. You can add, edit, and delete text, images, shapes, and multimedia in this section. After the slide area, if you will see this small one here, this is what we call the slide tab. After the slide tab, we also have there on the top of your presentation the quick access toolbar. When you say quick access toolbar, this toolbar offers a convenient place to group the most commonly used commands in PowerPoint. After that, we also have here the notes section, wherein you are allowed to add some notes for the presentation, and these notes will not be displayed on the screen during the presentation, of course, and these are just quick reference for the presenter later on. So those are just some of the various things that we need to be familiarized with. We have there transition, design, animation, slideshow, review, and view. So let's begin with the animation. So here it is, the final output of our PowerPoint presentation, wherein I made a presentation about the story, the grasshopper, and the ant, wherein we will insert some animations and transition in these slides so that we will be able to move them without the on-click process of our PowerPoint. So the first step that we need to do is to click the animation. After clicking the animation, go to the advanced animation. So you'll see the advanced animation here. Under the advanced animation, you will be able to see the options group, as, entrance, emphasis, and exit. You can add animation to any element in the slide, and you could select the title, bulleted list, or graphic. Click the Add Animation drop-down button to preview the effects. So here, you will see the effects. So the next one, as you click one effect, the menu appears with a list of effect categories. Entrance effects animate the element as it enters the slide. emphasis effects make the element do something after it enters the slide. Exit effect animates the element as it leaves the slide. Motion paths allow you to specify specific paths on how the element will be animated in the slide. The animation pane will show, ito po, the animation pane will show to us the details about the effects na nilagay natin, which is the entrance, exit, and we can also add the emphasis or in the middle part of it. Use the start field to select an event which will trigger the animation. So let's begin with the application.
All we have to do is just to click the animation bar right there, and as well as the picture. So for this, let's just add. We can also change the effect option of our animation like that. And then this for one here, and for this text box.
Okay, moving on with the transition. With this, beside the animation, you use the transition tab to select the slide transition you want. To apply in your slides, you can preview the animation by selecting one transition. It will be automatically applied to the slide. Select apply to all. That will apply the same transition to all the slides in this presentation. Dito po natin makikita yung apply to all. There. Okay, that's the apply to all. So if we will going to apply a certain transition for this slide, apply the curtains, and then you'll see there. You can apply with the whole presentation or with the whole slides that you have here. So the slide transition can be, of course, customized by editing the duration on, ayan, yung duration po natin. You can just adjust that in any seconds that you want or any minute. You can enter the speed you prefer to the transition to play. So you can choose if it's will enter within 4 seconds, it can be there. So that's how we add some transitions and animation in our slides. Last technique, additional information, it will be adding some audio in our PowerPoint presentation. This is how we do, or this is how we add audio in our PowerPoint presentation. Just click the insert or insert ribbon, and there you will see the audio. Just click the audio on my PC, and then you click the audio that you wanted to play in the whole presentation. So you may just enlarge that one, and then when you try to double click it, it will pop up yung format and also the playback. Under the playback ribbon, we can control the image and also the trim, fade in and fade out of our audio. So let's start it automatically and then hide during the show. After that, you need to move the animation pane of the audio on the top of this, so that it will be the first thing to happen. It will be the first thing happen for the animation. After that, you click that one for you to manage the timing of the audio, and then with previous effect, it will until the last slide will be the 12 slides. So the audio will stop playing until it reaches the 12th slide. final output in advanced techniques that we use using the Microsoft PowerPoint, which is the animation, transition, and inserting audio in our PowerPoint presentation.